Well, I got some news tonight. Apparently my boat is totaled. There's a lot of water in the backyard, not necessarily in the engine compartment, but kind of in the area to the side of it. And I guess that where the engine mounts on, where the engine mounts to the hull right here, that there's bolts and things that hold it on there. I'm not quite sure where, but talking to a very experienced mechanic, and he said that if you can lift up on this and water comes out of here, then your boat's totaled, because basically the marine plywood in there has disintegrated and it no longer can hold, and so you'll just have leaks, and the cost to repair and try and get all that fiberglass and wood out is not worth what it takes to do. So I think may have been partially my fault. I actually just discovered, I'm a new boat owner as of last fall, but I didn't know I was supposed to pull this plug after every ride. I'm wondering that because I didn't pull the plug, maybe water had built up and somehow seeped in, and it's an older boat, 26 years old. Could have just been wear and tear. Go see if there's any other stuff in the car, buddy. But I don't know, he gave me an idea that you could use this 3M material or Flex Seal or RV roofing material and kind of paste around it, and that'll get you through a season. But he said that once the water's in there, you can't really get it back out, and it just kind of disintegrates the plywood. So looks like I may end up being in the market for a new boat at some point. I do like to fix old things, so I might try and research it some more and see if there's anything that I can do to get some of that water out of there and maybe extend it a little further. But I also want my family to be safe, and my wife may not let me take the kids out. So I guess we'll have to see. Yeah, it was a fun day though, but ended on a bad note.